Cliff, what are you cooking up special?
We're doing a little Jack Daniels Peach Cobbler. And you got to use Jack Daniels because that's what makes it so good.
Now, is that sourdough?
No, this is just a pie crust. Shortening, flour, cold water, and salt.
You bet. We're going to add a little Jack to this. I thought I was going to drink a little of it, but Bill said no, it needed to go in the peaches. So
You gotta have it in the peaches.
we're going to add a little to that for a little flavoring in there. We're going to do probably, half a cup, Bill? Something like that.
As long as we save a little shot, for us.
Okay. Yeah, that'll do it. That'll do it.
All right.
Now, what all do you have in with those peaches?
I got a little brown sugar, a little white sugar, butter, a little whipped cream.
A little heavy whipping cream.
Heavy whipping cream.
Whipped cream and bourbon.
Oh, that's what makes it good.
We're going to get this
I think
on
Bill's
top of
honest
here.
at that. What a deal.
Look at
You
that.
think it'll fit? Just about. One thing that I've found in desserts, everybody wants crust.
Uh-huh.
So all the crust you can have on there, it'll just make them like it a little better. We're going to cover the top here.
With a little sugar.
You know, I don't know any of them cowboys that don't like a good peach cobbler, especially if it has a little bourbon in it.
Isn't it? Well,
I had somebody ask me, Red said, what is your secret to this? And I said, if you use enough butter, sugar, and cinnamon, anything will be good. That's about right. So we're going to cover this just a little bit.
and then we're going to put this in a Dutch
We're
oven.
going to put this in a Dutch oven and cook it.
Yeah, brown that up a little bit. Pretty well done. It just needs to be.
Yeah, we're browner on top a little bit.
You want me to open
That's
that lid
warm,
up, Bill? It's
We
getting
got-
off. It's
you got
ready.
it off right here.
Okay.
We're ready to go in here. There you go. Now we're going to put a 16 on top of that and put some coals on it.
All right. Well, I'll get the lid and put on top of it.